So hello my dear friends, welcome to my new video. In this today's video, I Pranav Ford, your master teacher, is here to tell you a very new and interesting topic of English grammar after many days. So let's get started with this today's video. But before starting, like, share and subscribe our channel Little Dear Sir, and then in the comment box, do you like this video? You are welcome in your channel Little Dear Sir. So today in this video we are going to learn about the articles, which are one of the main part in the English grammar. Articles, a and the. There are the three types of articles in English grammar that we are going to learn in this today's video. Welcome to the class on articles. In this presentation, we will explore the fantastic world of articles and their uses. Means we will learn about the article and dive into the world of the articles and the English grammar. So let's get started with this today's video. Definition of the articles. When we learn a new point, the main thing is its definition. Definition is the power. By the definition, we can understand what are we going to learn and what are what is the concept, because concept is the power. Learn what articles and how they are used to modify nouns. Means articles are used to modify the nouns. Why are the articles used? They are used to modify the nouns. Understand the different types of articles found in English grammar. So in this today's video, we will understand the different types of articles in the English grammar. Uses. The use of a. One of the article a, we will see its use. The use of a, used before nouns that begin with a consonant sound. The nouns or the words which begin with the consonant sounds, the starting letter or the starting sound, when it starts from the consonant sound, we use a before that word. Suppose book. So b, which consonant comes? B. So b is a consonant. So we should use a before book. So what is it? A book. What is it? A book. So, and use an before nouns that begin with a vowel sound. We will learn it in next point. Use the articles a or an to indicate noun, specified member of a group or category. We use a and the to specify the specified member of a group or category. We use a and an for it. So let's now understand the use of an. Why do we use an? We will learn now. An is used before a noun that starts with a vowel sound. Means the a is used before a consonant sound. Consonant sound, and an is used before the vowel sound. Where is an used? An is used before the vowel sound. An is used before the the noun that starts with the vowel sound. Example A, E, I, O, U. So the words which have the starting from a vowel sound, that are A, E, I, O, U. There are the 5 types of vowels, that are the A, E, I, O and U. So when there is this sound at the starting of the word, or the noun, then that before that noun we use an. Example, ice cream. Ice cream. I is a vowel, so we use this an before ice cream. We can't say a ice cream, we should say an ice cream. What should we say? We should say an ice cream. It is the perfect and correct, we can say the noun. We can say the article. Use of the third and the last article we can see, that is the use of the. When the is used, use of the. Use the with any noun when the meaning is specific. Means we have to show any specific thing. We have to show any specific person, thing or anything. Noun, we have to show a specific noun. For example, when the noun names only once or of a one kind, means if they are of a one kind, of a one category, we have to specify it, we have to categorize it, then too we have to use the. Adam was the first man, was the first man. The only first means it's the specific thing or specific, that is the only one man, specific person, so we use the. New York is the largest city, is the largest city in the United States. Only one city can be largest, means means we can't say there are two city largest in a country, there are three city largest in a country. That is the only one specific city, one specific country, one specific continent. Largest continent Asia, largest country in it Russia, and the largest state in India, that is the Rajasthan. So largest can be only one, so we use the. Will you on the earth? Earth is only one. Sun is only one. Moon is only one. Will you on the earth? Earth is only one. We know that. Next. Conclusion and key points means whatever we have learnt now, we will do some summary and conclusion of it, that what we learned. And key points also we will see. Summarize the main concept covered in the class and understand the importance of articles in English language uses. So in class you have to speak with your partner and do conversation with your partner and think about it. I will give some points. When we use a, when there is a consonant sound. Which sound? Here you can see that. When there is a consonant sound, we use a. When we use an, when there is a vowel sound. Wait a minute. Yes. When there is a vowel sound, we use an. And when we use the, to show the specific thing. When we have to show the specific thing, we use the. So this is all for the today's video. We will come back with a better performance in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Keep summarizing, keep learning, be active.